This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of ear piercings. Immediately after getting your ears pierced, it's crucial to keep them clean. Always wash your hands thoroughly before touching the area. Then, gently clean the piercing 2 times a day using a saline solution or a specialized aftercare spray. This helps prevent infection and promotes healing. Remember, avoid rotating or fiddling with the jewelry. When cleaning, apply a small amount of saline solution to a fresh cotton swab or a piece of gauze. Carefully clean around both the front and back of your piercing, removing any crust or debris. Be gentle and avoid harsh scrubbing. After cleaning, pat the area dry with a clean paper towel. Cloth towels can harbor bacteria, so it's best to avoid them during the healing process. To ensure proper healing, there are a few things you should definitely avoid. Do not use harsh chemicals like alcohol or hydrogen peroxide, as these can irritate the skin. Also, steer clear of swimming in pools, hot tubs, or natural waters for at least 4 to 6 weeks. It's also important to resist the urge to change your jewelry too soon. Wait until the piercing is fully healed, usually 6 to 8 weeks. During the healing process, pay attention to your body. If you notice excessive redness, swelling, pus, or increased pain, consult a professional. Even after the initial healing, continue cleaning your piercing once a day to maintain hygiene. To prevent the piercing from closing, always keep jewelry in, especially for new piercings. Enjoy your new ear adornment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.